Speaker sir, South Coast Railway Zone is the long pending demand of the people of North Andhra Pradesh, and thank you the Union Government and Railway Ministry for sanctioning the zone and recently appointing a special officer and sanctioning 300 crores for the zonal activities. And Speaker sir, and a small demand is headquartered in Visakhapatnam. The Walter division is the 5th highest revenue generation division of the Indian Railways. But Speaker sir, taking the division away from Visakhapatnam to Vijayawada, 350 kilometers away, will create operational and disaster management issues in terms of delayed response to accidents and reduced oversight on safety and maintenance. Hence, Speaker sir, keeping these points in mind, I request the government to keep the Walter division alive and finalize its contours with the Rayagada division, keeping in mind the sentiments of the people of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me the opportunity to speak in 0 hour regarding a very important issue of the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. This is regarding the creation of new railway zone. In February 2019, the central government has promised to create a new railway zone under the name of South Coast Railway Zone for the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. It has been already around the time of 3 years. But what is to be noted here, sir, recently I have asked a question towards the Railway Ministry and they have replied how much budget was allocated in the year 21-22 for the creation of railway zone. It is mere 40 lakhs, sir. This is not just a lack of commitment from the central government towards the creation of zone. It is pure insult to the state of Andhra Pradesh. 40 lakhs, it's not just a building that we are talking about, but this is regarding the creation of new railway zone. On top of this, yesterday another question has been answered by the railway department. In that question, there was a part where it says what are the existing railway zones in the country. The South Coast zone has not been mentioned. And in that only another part is there where they have requested, where they have asked, sir, 1 minute I am complete, 1 minute I will complete, sir. They have also requested that are there any new railway zones that are created. South Coast has not been mentioned. So it is not in the existent, it is not in the created list of railway zones. So we want to demand the central government, what is the clarity on this issue, sir? Is it being created or not? How much budget has been allocated? On behalf of the people of Andhra Pradesh, especially people of Uttarandhra, we demand the central government that the creation of railway zone and the operation should start immediately. On top of that, railway recruitment board also should be conducted in Visakhapatnam, and seven stations from Khurda Road division should be added to the South Coast, sir. They are of the names of Palasa, Mandasa, Sunnadevi, Baruwa, Sompeta, Jadpudi and Ichapuram. These 7 stations from Khurda Road division should be included in the South Coast Railway Zone. Operation should be started immediately. There shouldn't be any double